Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to hide bookmark bar on your Chrome browser. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to hide bookmark bar on your Chrome browser, then I will show you how to do this. First of all, you have to open your Google Chrome. Click on this three dot, click on settings. In left side, you will find appearance. Click on that. Here you will find show bookmark bar. Just toggle it off. Now you can see the bookmark bar has been hidden, or now bookmark bar has been disabled. So if you want to enable it again, just toggle it on. Now we can see our bookmark bar. That's it guys. So in this way you can hide bookmark bar on your Chrome browser in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe.